Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the home of monthly craft kits delivered straight to your door. Today, we're unwinding and indulging in the art of candle making with this luxurious kit. We'll be crafting 2 bespoke scented candles in elegant rose gold tins, blending the warm fragrance of plum rose and patchouli, and adding a splash of color for a truly personalized touch. Perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere or gifting a unique, handmade creation to someone special. In your kit, you'll find your premium container wax complete with 2 self-adhesive candle wicks, 25 milliliters of plum rose and patchouli fragrance oil, 1 large wooden lolly stick, a red candle dye chip, and 2 rose gold candle tins. Let's get started. Loosen the lid on the wax container, but don't remove it completely. Remove the paper label and take out the wicks. Pop the wax container into a saucepan of water, making sure the water comes halfway up the container. Heat the pan and bring the water to a gentle simmer. Leave the wax container in the simmering water until it's fully melted and liquid. This should take around 15 to 20 minutes, so why not pop the kettle on and enjoy a quick cuppa while you wait. Once melted, carefully lift the wax container from the pan using the handle. Remember, it's hot. Use scissors to shave small slivers of the red dye chip into the wax. Stir the dye into the wax with your wooden lolly stick, adding more for a deeper color. You can control the shade of pink by adjusting the amount of dye, less for a soft blush, more for a bold pop. Once you've got your perfect color, pour in the fragrance oil. We've used the whole bottle for a strong scent, but you can add less if you'd like a more subtle fragrance. Just make sure to use at least half the bottle so the scent carries beautifully when your candle burns. Pop the lid back on the wax container and give it a gentle shake to mix in the fragrance. Let it sit for 3 minutes to fully absorb that gorgeous aroma. Now, remove the backing from the self-adhesive pads on your wicks. Stick the wicks to the bottom of the tins, making sure they're perfectly scented. You can even mark the tins if you like to be precise. Carefully pour your colored and scented wax into the tins, leaving about 2 to 3 centimeters of wax in the container for topping up later. Place the wax container back into the water. No reheating needed, just let the residual warmth keep it liquid for later. Make sure the lid is secure so no water sneaks in. Leave the candles to cool until a skin forms on the surface. If the wicks have shifted, gently center them again, propping them up with your lolly stick if needed. Let the candles set a little more. Once cooled, top them up with the remaining wax. If it's started to solidify, give it a gentle warm for a minute or 2. Now, let your candles cure for at least 24 hours before you light them. When you're ready, trim the wicks to 5 millimeters. And there you have it, your beautiful rose gold scented candles, handmade and ready to enjoy. We hope you've loved making your candles as much as we've loved guiding you through it. Don't forget to share your gorgeous creations with us on our social channels using #Craftiosity. We can't wait to see what you've made. Until next time, happy crafting!